Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to the 13th day of Christmas at the Smart Woodshop. Over the last 12 days, each day I presented a tool that I chose that would be great for the woodworker or carpenter in your life, a tool that I have and use in my shop, and then if I did not have, I would go out and replace it immediately. All of them you see here, and I've demonstrated them and told you about them in each of the previous videos. But something came up that I needed right away, and I ordered it, and I realized, you know, this is probably the tool that I use more than all the other tools combined. In fact, I use it every time I use any other tool. What could that be? Really simple. A mechanical pencil. I talked about these 5 or 6 years ago. They're by TUL. I don't know how I ended up with that brand. Maybe it was a recommendation, but I've had a lot of different mechanical pencils, and these have been my favorite. All the other ones I have, the other pack, which I still have, I'm still using, they get spread out. I've got them in drawers, I've got them in nail bags, I've got them in tool bags, and I just decided that I was hunting around and grabbing them, and I wanted a few more. So I picked up this package of 6, and I pulled out one immediately and have it right over there. They feel good in your hand. They're rubberized. These are the 0.7s. I also buy the 0.5s, but I find the 0.7s are fine enough and the lead holds up a little bit better. I would not want to go any bigger. They also have an eraser, and I love this eraser. It really works, and it's really big. Just by spinning this, you can see how big that eraser is. So as it wears, you have all of that. And I use the eraser heavy. And then loading the lead is very easy, and then I keep extra leads inside here as well, so I don't have to go hunting for them. A package of 6 of these is only $13. And like I said, I've never had one fail, so they are well made. If you decide to go ahead and get a set of these pencils for the carpenter in your life, while you're at it, just as a backup, go ahead and grab a package of the lead, that's a 3-pack, and then a package of the replaceable erasers. It just fills out the kit so they can keep it up and running. You'll find all of these in Ron's store at thesmartwoodshop.com, but I will also provide an Amazon affiliate link directly in this video down below. Chris has also put together a Christmas list page on thesmartwoodshop.com, so you can go directly there and see all of these in a single list and choose what works best for that loved one or that favorite friend carpenter of yours. I hope you've enjoyed these 13 days of Christmas here at the Smart Woodshop. Merry Christmas.